Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Muhammad Wasim. Today I will teach you how to create relationship between table using structure query language. In last lecture I told you about how to create database. The relationship between tables mean there are three rules to create relationship between them. That there is no data exist in parent and child table. Parent table is called in which primary key exists, and foreign child table is called in which foreign key exists. What is foreign key? Foreign key, primary key of one table is called foreign key of other table. And whereas what about primary key? Primary key mean a primary key which is uniquely identify a table, and all non-primary non-key attribute depend on primary key. So the table which contain primary key is called parent table, and table which contain foreign key is called child table. So before creation relationship between these two tables, three rules you must follow, otherwise relationship will not create. There is no data in parent table and child table because a referential integrity constraint. Referential integrity constraint tells that foreign key value must match with primary key value. If you have a value in foreign table or child foreign key or child table which is not exist in parent table, so there will be issue. Primary key and foreign key relationship will not create. Data type, primary key and foreign key fields data type must be same, otherwise relationship will not create. Spelling doesn't matter. If in one table a primary key name id and other table primary key foreign key name employee id, it doesn't matter. Spelling can be changed, but data type must be same. First, primary key, some people make mistake that they didn't made a primary key in parent table, and they are going to create relationship between child primary key and parent and child table. So relationship will not create. First you will select primary key of parent table, then a relationship will be created. So employee table, here employee id is a primary key. I already selected here, successfully executed, edit. Now primary product, here there is no employee id. Now I will add one key like emp id. Data type int. Save. Why I select data type int? Because employee id have data type int. So data type must be matched, spelling doesn't matter. Here field name id and employee name employee id. Okay, now we will create relationship between them. I will click on SQL structure query language, write alter table. Now you will alter the table of you will put the name of child table, mean that contain foreign key. So product contain mean which one is why we decide that product will be child and employee will be parent? Because employee existence is first, then product exists. So alter table product, add foreign key emp underscore id references employee id. This spelling match with this table and employee id. Employee mean parent table name, then field name. where employee ID field name in employee table is ID and in product table is employee ID. So spelling is different, doesn't matter, but both have same data type. So now you will click on go. Your query successfully executed. Now how, after this message, how you will confirm that the relationship exists? Now you will click on product, here primary key, and this one is index. Like in I will click on employee, only primary key. When I will click on customer, index with employee ID. So relationship, all relationship you will create. For if one table have two or more foreign key, then you will execute separate query for each time, and each time you will click on you will execute alter query for that table to make relationship between them. Please subscribe my channel for next video. I will complete explain MySQL structures and diagram. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.